Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi phone guys touch vibration problem how to solve. Friends, you have your Redmi mobile touch vibration tap vibration problem, so how to fix and how to solve phone vibrate problem one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. Friends, when I tap on my Redmi mobile, so friends my Redmi mobile vibrate. So when how to fix phone vibrate problem one by one, step by step, friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, open your Redmi mobile sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration setting, friends, you can use phone ringtone setting, phone ringtone, alarm ringtone, notification ringtone, and you can adjust friends your phone volume from here. Friends, you can see phone silent mode setting. Friends, you want to on silent mode. After on silent mode, friends, you can see ringtone will off automatic, and you want to again on silent mode, you can on and you can off silent mode. Friends, do not disturb setting here. Friends, you want to silent your phone calls, your phone notifications, so you can silence and you can unsilence from here. Friends, you can see phone vibrate setting, vibrate for call. Friends, if you on vibrate for call, so your phone will vibrate on call. And friends, you can see vibrate in silent mode setting. And friends, last vibrate on tap, click here. And friends, on your Redmi mobile, vibrate on tap setting is on. So friends, off your vibrate on tap setting. After a friends vibrate on tap setting, friends, you can tap on your screen, you can tap on your phone button, and guess your Redmi mobile not vibrate. So like that friends, you can fix, you can solve your touch vibration problem in your Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to use your phone tap vibration, so friends, you can on light, medium and strong. And friends, if you click, your phone will vibrate. So bye friends, thanks for watching.